SSC has released Phase 13 response sheet finally, and there are certain big changes. So let us take a look at these changes. But before that, we are coming up with a sale for Navratri on our GS courses, and you will have more than 50% discount on the GS module and a very interesting discount on Brahmos course. Stay tuned with our channel. Now let's take a look at the notice. This is the notice with respect to the response sheets, and to view the response sheets, you need to log in to your SSC portal using your registration number and password. The first change that they introduced is questions are divided into two different categories. Once you view your response sheet, you have a violet color tab that is there above your question which says deemed challenged question. The meaning of this is SSC admits that there is an error in this question. SSC has taken up this question for a challenge and you need not challenge this question again. Now there are other questions which are blue in color. For those questions, if you feel the question is wrong or the answer choice is wrong, you can challenge those questions. The next major change is with respect to the fee. Earlier, to challenge a question, they used to collect 100 rupees, but now that is reduced to 50 rupees per question. The last thing that is there with respect to the answer sheets, the response sheets, is SSC has disabled the print option. But these questions are very useful for us, so please take a snapshot of these questions. That is, on your laptops, you have something called as print screen availability. Once you click on print screen, you can take a snap of those questions and you can make a PDF out of it. Or you can use a Chrome web extension which allows you to take long form screenshots of your response sheets of your web pages. The link of the web extension is placed in this video description. You can install the web extension and you can download your response sheets. Now let us talk about the preliminary analysis of the questions. Since last night, I had the opportunity to take a look at 5 different shifts of the questions of graduate level paper, and trust me when I say this, more than 60% of the questions of GS are doable. Maths is doable. Maths questions are from the syllabus except for those statistics part, etc. And those questions are from the concepts. Take a look at the question papers. Sit with a calm mind and see how many of those questions are doable. You will definitely agree with me. I will do a separate video where I will take up these questions, I will map them with the syllabus copy that is there, and I will segregate those questions into easy, medium, hard, and then we will discuss about what is the right steps to do for our upcoming exams. Stay tuned for that video.